Guys, today I do have the Motorola Moto G10 and I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account during the setup on your Motorola Moto G10, as I said. So here, after the signing into your Google account, you should get this alert. And how to get rid of that? And first, go back with this button over here, below skip in the bottom left corner, back to Wi-Fi. Here, now as you can see, we can tap skip, continue. It will disconnect us from the Wi-Fi network we have been connected to. Now we can tap more, accept. And here, no, wait a moment, I want to skip the screen lock. You can here now set up your phone as normal, like with your preferences, but without the Google account. The Google account will be added. You can just add your Google account after the setup process. If you get this alert here in the base system over here, you need to now do a factory setup of your phone back again, do the setup process as I told you normally as I told you, and back up to the different Google account. Once you have done that, you should be able to use everything correctly. If you still can't use your phone and you still get this alert, you need to change the region of your account. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.